It's pumpkin season. Hi, I'm Annie from KetoFocus.com, and today I've teamed up with ChocZero, and we're gonna show you how to make a keto pumpkin egg loaf. This recipe for keto pumpkin egg loaf is the perfect remedy if you're craving pumpkin bread. This one is easy to make and it's keto approved. And the best thing about this recipe is that everything is made in a blender. So it's just one machine you're using, and then we pour it into our loaf pans. So to that blender, we're gonna add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, and make sure that you're getting the 100% pumpkin puree. Don't get the pumpkin pie filling because that has a bunch of different sugars and carbs added to it. 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and for our pumpkin pie flavoring, I'm gonna be using ChocZero's pumpkin pie syrup. This stuff is delicious. It tastes just like pumpkin pie, and it's keto approved. It is 0 sugars and 0 sugar alcohols added to it. 4 eggs, 1/3 cup of coconut flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. You want to blend this together until the batter is nice and smooth, and then we're going to pour it into our loaf pans. Now I'm going to be using a fun loaf pan. This is making 6 little mini loaves of pumpkin bread, but you could use a bigger loaf pan too. It's just going to take longer to cook, so probably around like 40-45 minutes to bake if you're going to use a traditional loaf pan size. But for the mini loaves, we're just going to bake them in a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes. Once they're done, we're gonna transfer them to a wire rack to cool. You can dust them with powdered sugar if you wanted, or just have them plain with a little bit of butter. These pumpkin egg loaves are delicious. They don't taste eggy at all. They taste just like pumpkin bread. Make sure you tag us, ChocZero, with all of your photos of your pumpkin egg loaf.